Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Kaggle account, 2FA, and your API token. This secures automated downloads. Next, create a notebook and choose the accelerator: GPU for CNN, TPU for large transformer experiments. Once done, upload datasets or link Kaggle datasets and pin a specific version so your results are reproducible. Make sure to set a clear working directory and enable internet only if external packages are required. This avoids unexpected failures during training. You now configure the environment. Pick TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn and pip install any missing packages in the notebook cell. Then build a robust data pipeline, cache, set optimal batch size, enable augmentation, and shuffle to prevent bias. Start training with regular checkpoints and verbose logging so you can inspect loss curves. Once a run completes, upload model artifacts to the Kaggle output directory and use the Kaggle callbacks to save weights and metrics. This ensures portability and easy submission. You finish by evaluating on the validation set. Compute metrics, generate plots, and inspect failure cases to understand model behavior. Then export your model, create the required submission file, usually a CSV, and submit or share the notebook, making sure to attach output artifacts. If something breaks, check the notebook logs first, then confirm GPU memory and runtime limits. Also verify you use the correct dataset version. Finally, rerun a minimal reproducible cell sequence to isolate the root cause and iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.